Merhaba and Assalamu alaikum. Hi and welcome back friends after a long time. If you remember, we have learned how to ask at what time and answering like at 10 o'clock and so on. So today we will learn how to answer at quarter past. Quarter past means 15 minutes past. Maybe those who are still learning English like me will not understand these things, so I just explained it a little. So without further ado, let's jump onto the lesson. At what time? In Turkish you will say saat kaçta. Saat kaçta. Saat kaçta. I hope you remembered this. Saat means time and also means watch or clock. Kaç means how much or how many. So in English it's like at what time. Now to answer you will say saat 3'ü çeyrek geçe. Saat 3'ü çeyrek geçe. Saat 3'ü çeyrek geçe. Which means the time is 3:15. Saat means time or watch. 3'ü means from 3 or 3 of. Çeyrek means quarter and geçe means past. So saat 3'ü çeyrek geçe. The time is 3:15. Now these are how to tell the time when someone asks you about the time. That's why I am explaining these tiny little things so that you will not get confused when answering the time in Turkish language. Now you can change from 3'ü to any other time like 5'i, 10'u, 6'ı, 9'u. You can use any of them. Or you can use the time you are in. No force. And the rest of the sentences are same. You don't need to change anything here. Just change the time. And you are ready to answer the questions and pass the test of Turkish language when someone is asking from you. And I hope you know all the Turkish numbers so that you understand these numbers. At least you know from 0 to 20 so that you can understand in the situation. Or if you don't know and have any doubt about it, please comment below and I will answer you as soon as possible. So you don't need to worry about it, okay? That's all for this little video. I hope to see you again in the next video. So be sure like this video and comment and share. And most importantly, subscribe. Otherwise, you will miss my new videos and you cannot watch them. Thanks for watching and iyi şanslar arkadaşlar.